Thanks for watching this lesson of choosing more fruits and vegetables. Remember to eat fruits and vegetables at meals and for snacks each day. Make half your plate fruits and vegetables, and choose a variety of colors of fruits and vegetables each day. And choose the best buy from fresh, frozen, canned, dried, or 100% juice.
We are EFNEP on the move.
We are EFNEP on the move.
Walking keeps us in the groove.
Walking keeps us in the groove.
EFNEP lessons from the heart.
EFNEP lessons from the heart.
Help us learn how to eat smart.
Help us learn how to eat smart.
There's a red, black, and blue.
There's a red, black, and blue.
In your lunch, they're good for you.
In your lunch, they're good for you.
Choose from fresh, frozen, or canned.
Choose from fresh, frozen, or canned.
Sprinkle dry fruits in your hand.
Sprinkle dry fruits in your hand.
Collards, broccoli, and kale.
Collards, broccoli, and kale.
Eat your greens to keep you well.
Eat your greens to keep you well.
The fruits and veggies are so neat.
Fruits and veggies are so neat.
They taste good and are a treat.
They taste good and are a treat.
Carrots, squash, and apricots.
Carrots, squash, and apricots.
Fill you up, they hit the spot.
Fill you up, they hit the spot.
Don't forget the beans and peas.
Don't forget the beans and peas.
Saves you money and sure to please.
Saves you money, sure to please.
Eat a rainbow, it's the way.
Eat a rainbow, it's the way.
You have your plate every day.
Have your plate every day.
Now you know how to eat smart.
Now you know how to eat smart.
Put fruit veggies on your card.
Put your veggies in your cart.
Eat smart.
Eat smart.
Move more.
Move more.
Eat smart, move more. Eat smart, move more.
Now that we know about all the wonderful colors and variety of fruits and vegetables, let's discuss how many fruits and vegetables you should eat each day. The chart gives us a general idea of what we need based on age and gender. The average adult needs around 2,000 calories per day. Depending on our age, gender, height, weight, and activity level, some of us may need more or less than this amount. We'll pretend that the individual in our example needs 2,000 calories a day. That person would have a daily goal of 2.5 cups of vegetables a day. A cup would be a cup of cooked or raw vegetables, or 2 cups of raw, green, leafy vegetables such as spinach. A cup of vegetables is easy to estimate if you use your fist. A fist is about the size of a cup. Here are a whole day's worth of smart food choices. Let's see how this day adds up in the vegetable category. There's 1 cup of vegetables at lunch and a salad with 2 cups of spinach and a half cup of chopped vegetables at dinner. That's 2.5 cups of vegetables for the day already, and the tomato sauce on the spaghetti adds a little more. How about fruit? Staying with our example of an adult who needs about 2,000 calories per day, he or she would have a daily goal of 2 cups of fruit. A cup of fruit is 1 medium piece of fresh fruit, 1 cup of fruit pieces, fresh, canned, or frozen, or a half cup of dried fruit, or 8 ounces of 100% fresh fruit juice. Again, we can use our fist to estimate what a cup is. A fist-sized piece of fruit is about 1 cup, and a handful of dried fruit is about a half a cup. Let's look at our day of food again. This time, let's see how we could fit in 2 cups of fruit. We had a banana with breakfast and an apple with lunch. That equals 2 cups of fruit, the amount that we need for the day. While 100% fruit juice can be a healthy choice, we need to remember that it has just as many calories as soft drinks. Fruit juice can be a healthy choice for children if they don't drink too much. Too much juice can lead to overweight or underweight. While juices contain many nutrients, they are also high in sugar and calories. Because of this, we need to be careful not to drink too much juice. When choosing juice, choose 100% juice. Which of these drinks do you think contains 100% juice? You're right. The orange juice is the only choice that is 100% juice. Any beverage that is less than 100% fruit juice cannot be called fruit juice. It's called a drink, beverage, or cocktail. In general, juice drinks, beverages, and cocktails contain between 10% and 99% juice and have added sugars and flavors. These drinks have more sugar than 100% juice. Research has shown that consumption of sugary beverages is a major contributor to overweight and obesity. While fruit juices are higher in nutrients than sodas, they contain just as much sugar. What are some suggestions do you have for limiting juice for children? I suggest offer low-fat milk or water instead. Serve water with a small amount of fruit juice for flavor, or dilute juice with water. Let's see how much 100% juice is recommended. For infants, juice should not be given before 6 months of age, and juice should be limited to no more than 4 ounces a day. For children ages 1 to 6, they need less than 4 to 6 ounces a day. And for children ages 7 to 18, they need less than 8 to 12 ounces a day. For adults, the dietary guidelines recommend that adults get their fruit servings from whole fruits that are fresh, frozen, or canned to make sure that there's enough fiber in their diets. Let's take a look at why it is important to limit juice as a beverage. Even though there is no added sugar in 100% fruit juice, it is still a sugary beverage. A serving of fruit drink contains just as many calories as a serving of soda. Sugary beverages are a major contributor to overweight and obesity. For the best nutrition, choose whole or cut up fruit rather than juice. Not only are you reducing the sugar intake for you and your family, you'll get the benefits of dietary fiber as well. You can buy fruit in several forms: fresh, dried, frozen, or canned. Choose canned fruit packed in water or juice if it is available. If not, go with fruit packed in light syrup. Avoid canned fruit packaged in heavy syrup because it contains lots of extra sugar. As for frozen fruit, take a moment in the store to read the ingredient list on the package. Choose varieties that do not have the word sugar or syrup listed in the ingredients. Remember to wash fresh fruits and vegetables before preparing or eating them. Rub fruits and vegetables briskly with your hands under clean, running water to remove dirt and bacteria. And remember to dry them after washing. Remember, rinse fruits and vegetables. Do not use bleach or soap when removing dirt.
I love to stir fry. It's quick, colorful, and nutritious. Today I will show you how to make a stir fry with sauce that's big on flavor and light on sodium. Before beginning, be sure to wash your hands and sanitize your work surfaces. Read the recipe and collect all the ingredients and cooking supplies that you'll need and place them on the counter. To make the stir fry sauce, place the following ingredients in a small saucepan: sodium-free beef bouillon, apple cider vinegar, molasses, ground ginger, garlic powder, and a dash of black pepper. Add 1 cup of water and mix together. Bring to a boil and simmer gently for 5 minutes. Next, in a small bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 1 cup of water. Stir into the bouillon mixture and set aside. The cornstarch will settle to the bottom, so be sure to stir again before adding the sauce to the stir fry. To make this stir fry, you will need a total of 2½ cups of fresh or frozen vegetables. Choose the best price between fresh or frozen. Today we're using fresh vegetables that we purchased at our local farmers market. I like going to the farmers market because I know where the food came from, I'm supporting my local economy, and many vendors accept EBT cards. The first thing we want to do is wash our vegetables. This will remove any dirt and debris that may be left on the outside of the vegetables. If necessary, use a vegetable brush for any hard-to-clean areas. Now chop the vegetables into small, evenly sized pieces. You may cut them into circles, strips, or cubes as desired. A variety of shapes will make the stir-fry more pleasing to the eye. You will need about half a cup of each vegetable. Put your vegetables in separate bowls and place them near the skillet. You will want to use a large pan such as a 10-inch frying pan, electric skillet, or wok. The vegetables need room to move around as they are being cooked. In your skillet, heat a small amount of vegetable oil over high heat. Keeping the heat high, add the vegetables in order of firmness. Harder foods like carrots and cauliflower first, and ending with soft foods like onion and peppers. Using 2 large spoons, toss the vegetables to keep them from sticking until they are cooked. The vegetables should still be crisp and retain their bright color. Give the sauce a quick stir to remix the cornstarch, then add to the vegetables. You will only need 1/4 to 1/3 cup of sauce. Continue stir-frying until all vegetables are thoroughly coated. When the stir-fry is done, serve over brown rice or whole wheat noodles. This looks delicious. Add some fruit and a glass of milk for a complete meal. Join us for our next session and we'll share with you another healthy recipe.
It's easy to include fruits and vegetables in your meals and snacks. You can serve canned, frozen, or fresh. Check the cost and decide which is best for your family. When choosing canned, be sure to look for no salt or low sodium options. Buying fruits and vegetables in season is a great way to get the best for your family for less money. Try shopping at local farm stands or farmers markets. Let's look at some ideas for how we can eat smart with fruits and vegetables. Having some fruit out where your family can see it is a great way to remind them to eat healthy. An ice-cold smoothie made with low-fat yogurt and fruit and a splash of orange juice is a refreshing and healthy choice. Kids often prefer raw vegetables. Carrot sticks, celery, sweet peppers, zucchini, cauliflower, and broccoli can be big hits. A bowl of baby carrots and vegetable sticks will make a colorful afternoon snack. Top your low-fat or baked chips with fruit or vegetable salsa for a tasty snack. You can also add salsa to a baked potato instead of sour cream and butter. The freshness of fresh fruits and vegetables naturally deteriorate over time, and as a result, the money you spent on purchasing the fresh fruits and vegetables can end up in the trash can. Most fruits and vegetables should be stored in the refrigerator. Check your refrigerator temperature. Be sure the temperature of your refrigerator is between 38 degrees and 40 degrees. Use a refrigerator thermometer to check. Don't wash before storing. Wash fruits and vegetables when you are ready to use them. Use a paper towel to remove any visible moisture from refrigerator shelves and from fresh produce before you store it. Moisture helps bacteria grow more rapidly, so keeping your produce free of moisture will help it last longer. Leave room for air to circulate around your produce. This helps reduce moisture as well. There are lots of ways to increase your family's intake of fruits and vegetables when eating at home. Keep frozen and canned fruits and vegetables on hand to use with family meals. Here are some ideas. Soups and stews are great ways to add lots of extra vegetables. Try adding corn, carrots, peas, sweet potatoes, turnips, red beans, green beans, or tomatoes. There is no end to the possibilities. Breakfast is a great time to start your day with a serving of fruit, such as a slice of a banana, or add some berries to your cereal or low-fat yogurt. When making spaghetti sauce, add peppers, onions, or other vegetables, and keep frozen vegetables on hand. microwave, and add them to any meal. Try different combinations of colorful fruits and vegetables in a stir fry like you viewed today in the video. You don't need a special stir frying pan to make a great tasting stir fry with lots of crunchy vegetables. The trick is to stir fry things quickly at a high temperature with a small amount of oil. When you're away from home at mealtime, make healthy choices that include fruits and vegetables. When ordering pizza, skip the meat and double the vegetables. Add a salad to your meal. It's a great way to add another serving of vegetables to your day. Add vegetable soup to your meal and enjoy it first. Whenever you can, substitute another vegetable for fries. You will decrease the fat and calories in your meal. And if you're eating at a buffet restaurant, visit the salad and vegetables first. That way you'll eat less of the higher calorie items. What's one change you will make to increase the many colorful fruits and vegetables in your family's meals? What will make this hard for you and your family, and how will you overcome this? Thanks for watching this lesson of choosing more fruits and vegetables. Remember to eat fruits and vegetables at meals and for snacks each day. Make half your plate fruits and vegetables, and choose a variety of colors of fruits and vegetables each day. And choose the best buy from fresh, frozen, canned, dried, or 100% juice.